What's up, guys, and welcome back to a new stream here on my channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover, and thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing new stream here on the channel. Guys, today is once again a very exciting day, guys. Today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin chart. Today we're going to talk about the cryptocurrency space in general. And I already can't wait to see what we're going to do here. So guys, if you're looking forward already to today's video, let me know in the live chat, because yes guys, of course, we will be staying engaged with you guys during the stream here. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do. Of course, for the people that are right away wondering, guys, what is currently ongoing with Bitcoin? Do we have to be worrying, or do we have to be freaking out, guys? No, we don't have to. And right away your answer, let me go into the charts here. And I also will be enabling my second screen and see Dilemma Kid right away saying, let's go. So yeah, guys, let's go. I see everyone tuning into the stream right now. Sub Rover, of course, absolutely insane that you guys, of course, are all tuning in here. And I can't wait to see what we are going to do here in the coming days and coming hours, of course, because for Bitcoin, guys, we are, of course, looking for an insane target for Bitcoin. Of course, we are looking at the symmetrical triangle, guys, and this symmetrical triangle can be seeing a possibility for a breakout towards the 72k here, and this is a major, but I'm saying a major buying opportunity. And I see Daphne also tuning into the stream. Jeff also tuning in here. You're saying good morning, what is going on with Ami? So guys, there's a lot of things that we will be discussing here. Hopefully you're having an amazing day, guys, but we will be first starting off with the Bitcoin chart. So guys, what you can currently see over here, I think I see right away some people saying in the chat here, I'm looking forward to the week, for this coming weekend and the week after for Bitcoin, because yes guys, I totally agree with you, because we are currently seeing a downward sloping resistance line getting formed here on the Bitcoin chart here, and of course this can be ending in a very significant breakup, because we also are having an upward sloping support line. So basically what we are currently seeing is a symmetrical triangle unfolding on the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hourly candle. So guys, will this be ending in a very insane breakout? Yes, it definitely will, because yes, we've been consolidating for quite a long time here, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do here. I can't wait to see what we're going to do, because yes, guys, we are heading towards the apex. And of course, like I told you before yesterday, yesterday and the day before, we were streaming as well here, guys, on the channel. Of course, you can expect daily streams from me. Of course, right now, everything is set up for me. So yes, of course, you can expect daily streams from me. So what you can see over here, yeah, you were touching this downward sloping resistance line. Since then, you got a rejection. After that, you were pushing to the downside. And right now, it looks a bit that we're already finding support. But I won't be surprised if we're going to touch the lower level around the 54.8k here. And I still think, guys, for the people that are maybe wondering, is it for me a reason to panic if we're going to go to the 54k? No, absolutely not here. And also I saw a lot of people panicking in Bitcoin about general. We were trading, of course, around the 58k, fall all the way back towards the 55.5k. But we are still trading in the triangle, guys. So if we are going to follow the structure of the triangle, we are still in a higher low and lower high structure. And of course, that will be ending we will be seeing an end of this symmetrical triangle in the coming days here. Usually, guys, you know it, we tend to break out earlier than hitting the apex. So yeah, I do expect that this weekend, guys, is going to be a very volatile weekend. And of course, we know in the weekend, usually in the past, a lot of big moves are coming. Sometimes it's to the upside, sometimes it's to the downside, but I definitely expect to be I think this weekend will be very exciting. And I'm very curious where we're going to stand this weekend. Of course, this weekend we also have F1, guys. Absolutely looking forward to it as well. And I see a lot of people are saying to me, CryptoRover, are you in Dubai? What are you doing? Yes, definitely, guys. I am in Dubai. And if you haven't already seen it, the past 2 days were absolutely insane for me. For me, a few dreams that are coming true right now. So yes, guys, I truly think it's an amazing time over here, but of course we are here to talk charts. But for me, Bitcoin, guys, to really talk about more in depth about Bitcoin, you can see this symmetrical triangle. We can be, of course, going to see a breakout. We can be breaking out to the upside or to the downside. We can, of course, also see a breakdown. That can be potentially pushing down the price towards the 41k here. But do I expect that we're going to see such a big move to the downside getting created? Right away we'll be answering your question. No, I don't think so. The reason why, maybe you're asking me, why do you think we're not going to see a breakdown? Guys, we are in a bull market and you don't want to be trading against the trend. So yes, I truly anticipate a move to the upside getting created. And sorry for me pressing the wrong button over there, but I truly anticipate a move to the upside getting created, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do. I see Raymond also tuning into the stream here. Absolutely insane, of course. Everyone tuning into the stream, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to right away smash up that like button. I will be right away checking it in a second here. I will be checking it in a second. Currently, guys, let me look at the stream here. Currently, we are having, let me update it, 76 likes, guys. We are also already having 600 viewers, guys. In just a matter of 4 minutes. You guys are absolutely insane, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button if you haven't already. It would be amazing if we can do so. But guys, For Bitcoin, of course, if we can be seeing a potential breakup to the upside, and of course, the reason why I'm putting in the title here right now, biggest trading opportunity in the in history. I mean, guys, we are currently getting one of the biggest, yeah, of course, potential trade setups that we have been looking at for Bitcoin for quite a long time here. And of course, if we are going to see a breakup to the upside, I will be definitely not hesitating to take a long trade, position here. And of course, this long trade position can be pushing up the price towards the 72k here. And of course, if we're going to see the price target getting reached here, I mean, I do feel very excited. And I definitely think, guys, like I told you before as well in my previous live streams, we are definitely going to reach the 70k in May. Because yes, guys, I do think it's a new month. May is a new month. And we are definitely going to set a new all-time high. We're currently on the 7th of May. The month just started and we have still so many time to go here, and excuse me if you hear that, but that's the sound from my computer. But it's definitely very exciting, and I think, of course, if we can be seeing a breakdown, I will be definitely not shorting it, because I don't think that we are going to see the 41k here. Maybe you're saying, okay, Rover, then you're only an optimist, but no, I'm only trying to risk manage. I'm trying to risk manage. And of course, shorting in a bull market is never a good opportunity, in my opinion. And I see Sherry also becoming once again a member of the channel. So yeah, Sherry, thank you so much for supporting donations. Sherry, thank you so much for becoming a member. Hopefully, you're going to enjoy it. Your amazing color in the chat. So I see also a lot of AVAX questions coming in here, but guys, I will be definitely discussing everything. I see Dean Harvey also tuning into the stream here, guys. It's very, very exciting. And yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. But let's see. Also, another donation coming in here. Can you please check Armor? I will be going into your super chat in a second. And let me quickly look at this, guys. Let me quickly set up here. Let me set it up. I will be of course looking at it, because I can see it up here. And once again, I get a notification. I don't know what it is currently doing. And people are saying, are you getting married? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Guys, for the people that are maybe wondering what I've been doing in the last couple of days here, of course, I will be more streaming, of course, coming days, coming hours. But guys, yeah, I had a very, very exciting day here. I was driving a Lamborghini. You can be seeing it all on my Instagram. You make sure to check that as well here. But guys, let me go first into Ethereum. Of course, we'll be discussing AVAX. I will be discussing the request from Evit, and your request is Armor. So guys, let me talk a little bit about Ethereum, and let me talk about why you maybe want to be why you maybe want to be taking it very slow right now. So let me go into this chart over here. I mean, this chart that I'm currently looking at. I mean, I have two opinions about the chart of Ethereum. And of course, one opinion is bullish, the other one is bearish. But there are two factors what we are currently seeing here. I mean, we are still getting supported by the 2.618 Fibonacci, what is definitely a very good thing for Ethereum, and it can definitely provide some more moves to the upside. And that is, of course, the reason why I do feel bullish, because we're still trading above it. The second reason why, the second reason why I still feel bullish here is because we're still on an uptrend. And of course, I mean, I don't truly like the uptrend, and here will be my bearish thoughts coming in here, because guys, once you're going parabolic, because yes, we are going parabolic, and you're going to cool off for such a period, you usually see a correction coming in here. So hopefully we can be still holding on to these $3,400, $3,416 for this support level. But if we can't hold on to this level, guys, we will be maybe falling once again back towards the 2,800. So please, once again, we'll be saying it, if you're buying into overextended territory, you want to be very careful. And I mean, yeah, don't be over rushing anything here. And yeah, let's see what we'll be doing here. But I see Eric donating to the channel. You're saying, what do you think about yield app? I think you guys already know my thoughts about yield app, but of course, get me discussing it later as well on the stream, guys. Give me a second. And also, Sherry, once again, donating to the channel, and you are saying for you. So I mean, truly amazing to see. But yeah, guys, you can see after in a parabolic run-up, once you're cooling up on the top side, you're only going to create bearish divergence once going higher. So for me, this is an indication that Ethereum is maybe going to cool off here. And of course, I really would not suggest buying into Ethereum right now, because yes, guys, we are having a parabolic run-up here. And we are at the top of the parabolic run-up currently. We're almost at all-time highs. And we are consolidating over here, and usually once you're in a parabolic run, you just want to be seeing follow-through, and if the follow-through starts, you can be looking for a correction. So please, of course, I'm not saying that we're going to go lower, because yes, I definitely feel very excited about Bitcoin. And guys, you have to know, once Bitcoin is going to move up, Ethereum will be definitely following, but maybe it will be following slower, or it will be just correcting if Bitcoin is doing nothing or is going a little bit lower. So let's see how the coming hours, coming days will be going here for Ethereum. Please don't get overexcited. Besides that, guys, If you look at the weekly candles, yes, we're seeing insane volumes getting created. Of course, I definitely love to see these weekly candles, guys. I mean, yeah, it is looking very well here. It's looking very healthy as well here, the weekly candles on Ethereum. But I definitely still want to be seeing the retest, maybe for the coming weeks here, a little bit more downwards momentum. Because yeah, usually Ethereum is, of course, it tends to spike in some positions, but maybe we're going to see a cool period getting started because Bitcoin still have a lot of room, in my opinion. Bitcoin has still a lot of room to grow here, and especially, guys, if we're going to see the breakout of the symmetrical triangle, we're probably going to see an insane breakout, and of course that will be leading into a lot of volatility as well here. So let me see if this lighting works better, guys. Maybe this is better lighting. So let me see it. Let me correct it. I'm still upgrading my setup here. I'm still upgrading my setup. So yeah, I think this is a little bit better here. So definitely very exciting, and maybe I could do it like this. I think this is very good. I think this is very good. Yeah, this is better. Is better. So sorry for my unprofessional setup here. But you can see Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is still looking very healthy in my opinion. And right now currently you can see an insane run up getting started, and you are once again buying into overbought territorium. And in my opinion, always buying into these overbought territorium is not just a good decision in my opinion. But even though guys, the Bitcoin dominance keeps falling, the Bitcoin dominance is falling, and we're just not stopping anytime soon here. And I mean, I see a lot of people talking about a lot of altcoins, but guys, give me a second, please. I promise you, I will be talking about a Chainlink, ADA, Litecoin, XRP. I will be talking about every single thing here on the channel, guys. AVAX as well, but yeah, you can see your Bitcoin dominance. You are currently falling, yeah, below the gray box of support. What I was really anticipating as big support, and unfortunately we were of course breaking below it. What I first of all not really expected, but yeah, since seeing this breakdown, it's pretty unfortunate because yes, I really would love to see that move to the upside getting created over there, but I mean, yeah, it's still falling. But guys, if you are seeing such a big fall here, what is this meaning? This is basically meaning there are a lot of people in the market that are too greedy. They are going into altcoins, and I still definitely think the big institutions, guys, you want to be knowing what the big institutions are doing. Yes, they are also buying some altcoins, but are they going to hold their altcoins for the long run? I think they will be holding Bitcoin for the long run in general. So please, don't get overexcited. And what I'm currently doing here, because we are sitting so low in the Bitcoin dominance, we're extremely oversold, and some altcoins are extremely overbought. And if my altcoin is overbought, guys, I am shifting more into Bitcoin because I think that's a very good strategy, because it has way more potential. Because guys, the likelihood of seeing your altcoin going to, let's say, 0 to 100 is higher than Bitcoin. Let's say your initially, it's easier to make a 100x in your altcoin, but it's also easier to lose that 100x on that altcoin and not on Bitcoin. So that's my reason why I'm currently shifting a little bit back to Bitcoin, because yes, still guys, of course there's also some institutional interest in some specific altcoins, but the most amount of altcoins don't have institutional interest. And that's of course another thing what I like to do, because once the big guys are buying into a coin, I like to join them, because they are the smart money. They will be, of course, yeah, moving the market, and they are currently buying a lot into Bitcoin. And I mean, they are accumulating Bitcoin. And guys, the funny part, what is currently ongoing, because yes, guys, we see the Bitcoin dominance is falling, but Bitcoin is keeping its price. So it is basically meaning, yeah, people are going out of the Bitcoin market. People are selling their Bitcoin to altcoins. And who is currently accumulating? It's probably the big player. So please be careful. Don't be the one who is not holding any Bitcoin. I think it's very yeah, irresponsible if you're not holding any of it. So yeah, Ethereum is of course looking pretty overextended. And I mean, swapping your Ethereum a little bit back to Bitcoin right now is definitely not a bad job in my opinion. But guys, let me go into Chainlink before really going into my different asset. Of course, guys, we can see also with Chainlink, I think Chainlink is still looking very, very healthy. So first of all, you had this upward sloping resistance line, and there are multiple things coming together here. So you have an upward sloping resistance line, you're retesting it after a touch, after the fourth touch here, you can see over here 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth. We broke it above, and of course once we are having a retest, we were seeing the supportive bounce coming in here. And of course once we are reaching the supportive bounce here, guys, this is definitely a very good thing to see here, because first of all, the 1.618 here on the Fibonacci chart was providing major support. Besides that, this upper sloping resistance line was also providing major support. So yes, guys, multiple levels coming together, and I definitely think it's a very exciting thing to see here, because yeah, I mean, I feel very excited by Chainlink, and of course, Chainlink has been moving up also pretty significantly, and my $50 my target of the symmetrical triangle breakout, guys, that was a perfect target. And of course, I took profits on my swing trade position that I mean, it's not really a swing trade, it's more of a scalp trade, but I mean, the trade was open for a few days here. The trade was open for approximately 6 days. So yeah, I can maybe call this really a swing trade. But I definitely think, guys, it is looking very exciting for Chainlink. And I still think it has more potential. But I closed my trade already on $50. Right now looking for a new opportunity, of course. But I am never rushing into anything. So what I'm waiting for. You may be wondering, Rover, what are you still waiting for then for your Chainlink trade? So, I mean, there is a very likely possibility that Chainlink compared to Bitcoin is going to see another minor correction. But yeah, once we're already touching this previous level of major resistance, and yes, guys, you have to know, we really reverse the trend on the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart, because first of all, we were seeing the breakout of the symmetrical triangle as well here. Second of all, we started a new up run. And third of all, we are setting a higher high structure and a higher low structure as well here. So first of all, you can see the higher low structure identifying over here. And right now it's continuing to the upside. And of course, also in higher high structure. And that is my reason to say there can be a very big possibility that we're going to first see a move to the downside and trade before we're really going to blast off here. So what in general will I be saying about Chainlink? Because yes, guys, I do feel very excited by Chainlink, and that is also the reason why I've been talking a lot about it. And I mean, my price target for the month of May already has been reached here from my video that I did my predictions here, and of course by then it was only sitting on $36 US. So if you bought into these 5 coins here, I mean, every single coin is profitable from these coins. So maybe PancakeSwap is performing a little bit worse at the moment, but it's definitely still an asset that I'm accumulating. And of course, we're just on the 7th of May. So also for ADA, guys, we'll be going into it in a second. But guys, please give me a second. I see Aimer also in the stream here. Aimer is also in the stream. Absolutely insane, guys. And I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And Avid, you're saying, can you please check Armor? I will be going into it because, yeah, I saw your donation as well here. I will be going into it in a second because, yeah, first we'll be discussing the main altcoins. After that, going into the, yeah, a little bit of the smaller altcoins. Because, yes, first want to be discussing the major caps because usually there's a lot of interest from it, and of course that's the reason why we're going to discuss XRP and Binance Coin and maybe Doge as well in a second here, guys. So yeah, Chainlink is looking very healthy, and of course compared to Ethereum is, I mean, it's still looking valid. But I rather look for the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart is looking very good here, and I still think we are maybe forming a bull flag. Is also a possibility if I zoom in a little bit here. There can be a possibility for a bull flag currently unfolding. And maybe on the 4 hours a little bit less significant. And on the 4 hours not very beautiful, to be honest. But maybe on the daily we can be looking for not a very beautiful structure. But I do anticipate maybe a move to the downside before really blasting off to the upside. But definitely, guys, Chainlink is an asset that you do want to be having in your portfolio, because otherwise you're going to lose out massively. So that's the reason why I'm saying this. So let me go into XRP before going into ADA, guys. I will be going into ADA in a second here, but I see just so many people on the channel once again talk about XRP, and I know the XRP army is very big here. And guys, what we can currently see here, I mean, I've become very excited about it because yes, if I look to this chart, guys, if I look to the symmetrical triangle that we're currently looking at, it is absolutely insane that what we are currently seeing. So you can see on the daily candles, and this is of course the bigger time frame. I can also go a little bit in lower time frame, but guys, like I told you before, I like to first identify the bigger time frame moves, and after that we can be looking for lower time frame moves, because in the end of the day, I'm really becoming a more swing trader than a scalp trader. And I mean, I will be trying to educate you guys also more and more and more. So that is also why I promise you guys, probably near the end of the month or in the next major Bitcoin drop off. So let's say Bitcoin is going to drop 20%. We will be starting a training challenge from 10 or 20k towards 100k. Let's say we are going to do a 5x challenge. Of course, it depends on how much initial you bring with it. But with every single trade we're going to take, we're going to be fully transparent, and we are going to do it all live in the stream. So yeah, if you want to be joining them, definitely make sure to keep your eyes set on the channel, because yes, guys, if you want to be joining me with these trades, you definitely want to be live in the streams here, because yeah, we are discussing it live in the stream. So definitely worth to check it out. And Alex saying one hourly triangle link, so we can be checking that in a second here. But you can definitely see XRP forming this beautiful symmetrical triangle on the daily candles, guys. You can see the significance as well on the daily support level. You can see you're touching it right away, blasting up back to the upside. And of course, since seeing the volts were getting great, we are of course getting the rejection by the resistance line that we are once again retesting. But for me, is it really a reason to panic? I mean, not necessarily. We still have 12 more hours before closing the daily candles. And I truly anticipate that we can be seeing a daily close above this resistance line, guys. I think it's very exciting to see XRP way more potential in my opinion. But for me, I do want to be seeing a breakthrough of this resistance line, because as you can see, with these wicks getting created on the top side, we've been heading a lot of resistance. And of course, that is the thing that I don't like to see here. I do want to be seeing a breakthrough for me to flip extremely bullish. And like I told you before, XRP is also really a coin to watch here for the coming month here, because probably it will be spiking once again back to the upside. And I mean, I've been holding it because I think it's making itself ready for an insane move to the upside. And of course, once I'm anticipating an insane move, I will be just not holding anything. And I always tell to you guys, put your money where your mouth is. So definitely, I of course also hugely invested into XRP, and I definitely will be, of course, trying to open a swing trade position as well if we close the daily candle above it. But right now I'm pretty tired as well, so let me quickly talk about one thing here before going into all your requests, guys. Before I go into all your requests, and someone is saying diamond pattern on XRP. I mean, guys, I don't really like, to be very honest, I don't really like diamond patterns, because I think you can be almost drawing them always, and they're not really always showing you the significance, and really depends on which time frame you're looking at. But I mean, I don't really like the diamond patterns. Yeah, of course you always have to make your own strategy, guys, but in my opinion, that really not work for me. So guys, if you haven't followed me already on Instagram, make sure to do so. It is at CryptoRoverYT here. Absolutely insane if you're doing so, because guys, you can see here the white Lamborghini. I mean, it's literally a dream coming true here. I mean, absolutely sickest experience ever. I mean, if you can ever do it, I should definitely say you have to do it, because it was insane here. I'm still in shock here. I still think about it. And yeah, I mean, you can see over here me, the shy rover, everyone is saying that. Yeah, you can, oh sorry, you can see here, you can see what I'm doing here daily in my life, because I'm currently living in Dubai for another 3 weeks approximately. So definitely make sure to follow me. Look at it, this is so sick. I mean, I can't explain. Probably you heard a lot of stories, but if you've really done it yourself, you just can't explain it how cool it is. So definitely make sure to follow me at CryptoRoverYT if you want to be staying up to date about my personal life. I definitely want to share a little bit more with you guys. So of course, Instagram is the perfect platform for that. So at CryptoRoverYT will be amazing. So someone is saying BNB is getting ready. Yeah, definitely let's go into BNB as well in a second. But first, yeah, of course, XRP compared to Bitcoin. XRP compared to Bitcoin. We've been looking at this one yesterday as well here. And guys, we're going to see it, the weekly candle close, in exactly 2 minutes. And guys, I will be going into the super chats in a second, because I see a lot of super chats are coming in here. But first, I have to finish up my thoughts about XRP here. So XRP, downward sloping resistance line getting formed here. This is of course pushing down the price even more and more and more, and you can see here already 3 touch points, and I mean, you can even call more touch points, and this of course on the weekly time frame. So the weekly candles definitely still on the downtrend, as you can see, compared to Bitcoin. But currently, guys, we're trying to break through it once again here. So can we be closing the weekly candle above the above that level? And if we can do so, guys, if we can do so, we can be, of course, looking for way higher prices. So, of course, once again, the weekly candle close, very important close, just like we were talking about with Ethereum. And you can see the follow through what Ethereum is creating once seeing the weekly candle close above this line. I mean, definitely very exciting to see here. And I think XRP is also very important to see where the weekly candle will be closed, because yes, guys, can we be closing it above? I will be definitely feel very excited about it. Let me also take a quick sip of my insane nice water, guys. Always stay hydrated. It's very important, especially because the weather is so hot over here. So let me go into the live subscriber count. Guys, already 420 likes here, guys. Do it for Elon. So would be amazing if you're smashing up the subscribe button if you haven't already. But let me go into the first donation, guys. This always updates a little bit later. So let's see some requests for Vechain as well coming in here. I have a second screen here besides me, and on the second screen I see what you guys are all exactly saying here. So of course I always read the chat. Definitely would be amazing if you're in the chat as well here. So armor, can we check armor? Let me check armor for you, my friend. And of course we'll be going as well into more coins, but guys, still want to be discussing the super chats as well. So let me go into armor. What is the tag of armor? I think it was armor, right? Yeah, it was just armor. So unfortunately we don't have a US dollar tag, so that's pretty unfortunate. Stable coin. This is stable coin in comparison. So for me, right away, for hourly candles, so for a daily candle. So this one is pretty new on the market, if I say it correctly. Yes, we are seeing this one since January on the market. So of course, for me, very hard to give my exact thoughts about it, but you can see over here. Here we did not even know how high the RSI was sitting. So for me, yeah, right away can say to you, it's very hard to give my opinion about the chart that is not just going to give me a lot of significance in the chart. So 88 new all-time high, guys. Oh, damn. Guys, we are seeing a new all-time high getting created for 88. We will be okay, guys. Let me finish up my thoughts on armor. Then we'll be going into 88, guys. Give me a moment. We'll be right away going into it. But armor, my friend, it's so hard to give my thoughts about this one. Of course, I can't spot any divergence on the RSI, because yeah, currently the RSI is of course just not going to give me any significance. So if I use the Fibonacci here to look for some retracement levels, because yeah, we are still on a retracement currently. You can see that we're trading on the 0.618 here, but I mean, already we'll be saying this to you guys. This will be probably also not showing a lot of significance. So I mean, It's for me very hard to give my thoughts about chart with just not a lot of information. Look at this. It is just very hard to give my opinion about it. So please request a coin where I can talk a little bit more about. And I see also Eric Nisser donating to the channel. You were saying ADA is just created the new optimize. So guys, let me go into the ADA price section. Let me go into the ADA price section because guys, yes, congratulations for all the people that are holding your ADA, for all the people that have not been panic selling their ADA, congratulations, because yeah, we've been looking at multiple patterns, we've been looking at multiple scenarios, and this is absolutely insane. And guys, like, oh, this is a very interesting structure here for ADA compared to Ethereum. And guys, we've been talking about ADA as well here on the top 5 picks of May, and what we were talking about ADA here is that we are probably going to expect a $2 ADA getting rich here in the coming month of May. So do I feel very excited about it? Yes, I do feel very excited about it, and I mean, there were multiple reasons for that, so let me explain it. So ADA compared to Bitcoin, forming a beautiful ascending triangle, seeing the breakout to the upside, of course, finding pure beautiful support on the level. And of course, since finding support on the level, you can see the follow through to the upside was getting created here. And right now you are seeing 3-4 very nice green candles on the ADA compared to Bitcoin comparison. So we already reached our price target. So what do we want to be looking out for right now? So I mean, I will be already saying to you, please be careful, because it looked to be very overextended. And second of all, guys, I mean, this is very exciting because I did not know that we were already closing above it. So we already yesterday closed the daily candle above the previous high here, and today we retested it and of course found very nice support on it. And this previous high was also coming together with the resistance that we were trading on, so I should have expected to get a major rejection. But of course, seeing the breakthrough on this level, and of course once you're closing above such a level, also retesting it and successfully flipping it into support, this is very exciting. So let's see what it will be doing here. Hopefully we can be moving up pretty significantly. This is looking very good on the ADA compared to Bitcoin chart. But guys, the most important chart that I've been looking at for ADA, and also my reasons why I was feeling so good about it, was the ADA compared to Ethereum chart. And guys, here we're seeing a falling wedge getting created. Of course, falling wedge can be pushing up the price very significantly towards this level here. Of course, that would have been a 92% increasement from the point on what we are currently trading on. We'll be seeing 83% increasement compared to Ethereum. And like I expected, guys, in the previous stream, we were talking about it. In the previous stream, we were talking about it, that I thought, okay, Ethereum has been gaining so significantly, Dogecoin as well here. Probably the profits from Dogecoin and Ethereum will be flowing into the lower cap altcoins. And of course, that is currently also happening. And that's what you can see with ADA as well here. Because yeah, ADA is finally gaining compared to Ethereum once again here, and that's of course for me, at least for me, a very important signal to flip extremely bullish about it. So first of all, you can see here we were breaking below the falling wedge here, and I was telling you guys, some people were freaking out of here. I was telling to you guys, there is still a possibility that we're going to see a fake out and maybe re-enter the price chart to the upside. But that is very ambitious. So yeah, in the end of the day, we still broke above it, and right now we are trading above the resistance line on the top side. So yes, I do feel very excited about it, and of course it will be really important for today's candle to still close above this level, because yes, guys, we can be always flipping it into the red and of course close still below it. But yes, if this daily candle is going to close above this level, this is definitely looking very good, and it's definitely looking very bullish in my opinion. So I already can't wait to see what we're going to do, and I do feel very excited about it. So guys, hopefully you're feeling as well very exciting. And I see also Qdom, people are talking also about Qdom a lot here in the chat here. 88 to Mars. Absolutely insane, absolutely insane. Also, people are talking about Ethereum Classic, guys. I know Ethereum Classic has been performing very well, and do you really want to be going into it? I don't think so. I mean, I already told you guys this, I have it as well, but I mean, I bought it very low, and I mean, I haven't not sold it yet here, but I was already planning on doing it on the 90 cents here. Sorry, yeah, $90, and right now trading on $1.38 US. Absolutely insane digits what we are currently trading on, but very exciting. But yeah, definitely you should be taking profits if you're already in very good profits, and definitely you should not be buying into it on this one. So I just don't think it's a very good coin. And of course, you can see it's pumping so significantly. But yeah, guys, S coins are pumping. Do you want to be buying into S coins? That's a question right now. I mean, I like to still buy into coins with fundamentals, because in the end of the day, they will be surviving and they will be not, yeah, ripping your portfolio apart. So please don't fall for it, and don't get wrecked, of course. So Cardano compared to Ethereum is definitely also looking very exciting, because we're closing above it once again here. And yeah, the ADA compared to US dollar chart, yeah, guys, we've been talking about this one. And also because we are right now seeing this upward sloping resistance line getting broken, also getting retested, it is just looking very healthy. It's looking very good here. And ADA is, yes, indeed on the way to the moon, guys, and I definitely think it has way more potential to even shoot further towards new optimize anytime soon once again here. So yes, I do feel very excited about it. Hopefully we can be seeing a new optimize getting to rate once again in the stream, guys. Will be amazing. And what you can do to maybe help us to push 88 for a new Automai is hitting that subscribe button, guys. Will be amazing if we're doing so. Currently having 425 subscribers right now. Can we be smashing it up to 430? Will be amazing. Also, guys, the likes here. We are currently watching with almost 1,000 people, and we are having 266 likes, guys. Can we be smashing it up? Can we be smashing it up to 400 likes? That will be absolutely insane. You guys will be the best. So Eric is saying, what do you think about YLD? So I mean, guys, we have been talking about YLD, of course, a lot on the channel, and I've been accumulating, and of course, people are saying, okay, Robert, that's not moved yet. You are talking about it every single day, but it has not moved yet here. But guys, that is once again a thing that I say always. Don't expect, once I'm saying a coin, that it is going to pump tomorrow or the day after. It can be taking some time here, and you can see right away volume is picking up. I still think it's a very important, very good asset. They're working on so much development. They of course got a sidechain with the Polygon network, and it's just very exciting. And I mean, I just like the fundamentals, and I think that the future of YLD is very bright in my opinion. And of course, I still think there in 10x is definitely still possible in the coming cycle. And I mean, this is of course a little bit of a higher risk approach because it's the 70 million market cap coin here. But guys, I want to be having a coin that I'm using invested in and that I truly believe in, and it can give me very good returns. So yeah, this is really the one that I should be looking for. I can't wait to see what it's going to do. And guys, I always tell you guys, I don't give you S coins, I give you good coins. Please never listen to me, but please do your research. That is very important, because yeah, I can't teach you anything if you're not going to reach it yourself as well. Read it yourself as well. And of course, if you're reading this article, if you're reading this site, you probably will be convinced right away, just like me. So I think, yes, this project has way more potential. Also, if I look to comparisons of the same project, yeah, I mean, yeah, they're all performing very well. So I definitely think you want to be staying on the right side here. So people are talking about Tron. Guys, I don't really like Tron here. Right away, we'll be going into it. So 80, of course, Dash reached all-time high in the Bitcoin value. Or how high? So sorry. Or how high? What do you mean with or how high? My friend, let me go into Dash for you. Let me go into Dash for you, my friend. So yeah, you can see, of course, Dash of a new ultimate getting great here. Of course, very exciting. I mean, what you can currently see, this is, of course, maybe a very important structure. Because, yeah, you were forming an impulse sloping resist line over here. And you can see, maybe once we're going to go lower, because, yes, we are finally breaking above this resistance line. As you can see over here, we also got a rejection before breaking through. Maybe we can be seeing a retest of this level. And if we are going to see a retest of this level, guys, we can definitely still see, yeah, move to the upside getting great. So, I mean, don't be worried that we are seeing a red candle right now. We can definitely still see a retest of the previous resistance right now, flipping into support. So it's definitely a very good buying opportunity in my opinion. But I definitely can't wait to see what we're going to do. And I see so many requests coming in, guys. We'll be going into it. Of course, I know you guys are always loving to ask me anything, and you know that you can ask me anything. But of course, I don't have limited time. I don't have limited, yeah, of course, our ears and my mouth. So I just have to do one at a time. So I'm so sorry, guys. But of course, definitely going to discuss every single thing here. But Dash is looking good here. Do want to be waiting for a rejection, move to the downside here before really blasting up to the upside. But in general, I feel very excited and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. And I think, yeah, right now you should be waiting. I mean, if you're buying right now, yeah, you're buying into overextend territorium. But if you're waiting for a correction towards this level, you can be, yeah, really accumulating a position. Second of all, you have this downward sloping resistance line of you have this lower high structure on the RSI, higher high structure on the price chart. So this of course also forming a bearish divergence on the daily candles, and that will be probably very significant. And of course, it can definitely you push it back towards $400, but it's definitely not a bad position to buy in my opinion. So let me quickly look at the different super chat, because guys, I think we also got a different super chat here from I think that's it. That's it, guys. Yes, we are up to date once again. We are up to date. So let me go into Vechain, because yes, guys, I mean, a lot of people have been talking about Vechain recently, and I mean, it's definitely also very exciting to talk about, because yes, guys, I know Vechain has been performing very well here. Vechain has been breaking out here, but do you want to be getting very exciting, or do you want to be staying on the sideline? So guys, let me answer all your questions right away in one sentence, and I will be saying to you guys, don't get overexcited, because guys, I think you're absolutely going to get wrecked here with your Vechain. If you're going to buy Vechain right now, you're absolutely going to wreck City, because the reason why I'm saying this is because it was in a parabolic run-up, it was forming a consolidation and a continuation pattern, but of course it had consolidated to the downside, and of course the RSI was sitting on a whopping 86 points here, and right now it's sitting on 65 points, and of course once we're going to set a higher the Harvey is saying slow mode, please. So let me set it real quickly on slow mode, guys. Let me set the chat on slow mode, because then we can be the moderators can still hold on. So thank you so much for reminding me once again here. But you can see here, of course, symmetrical triangle getting formed, senior breakout target is sitting around 32 cents here. But do I expect to stay along around the level, or do I expect to reach it? I mean, yes, there's a probability that we're going to reach it, but are we going to stay along at that level? No, I don't think so. So, I mean, guys, I've been already saying this for a couple of days here. I've been saying for a couple of days, Vechain probably going to move higher, but are we really going to hold on because we're going to create such a huge bearish divergence after such a big run-up? I don't think so. I just think the last hype run-up is right now going on here. And if you're buying into Vechain right now, you're probably going to get wrecked here. And please don't do so. And I mean, I know the fundamentals are looking very good, but we are in such a greedy stage right now. We are in such a greedy stage of the altcoin cycle. And I mean, guys, if you're 90% of the people that are currently buying into altcoins, 90% of them are probably going to get wrecked extremely hard, because yes, guys, I know from the past. I know in 2017. Everyone was asking and everyone was talking about altcoins. No one was talking about, of course, also Bitcoin, but everyone was talking about altcoins because they were exploding. And right now, once again, and you know what happened in 2018. And I mean, I want to be staying careful. We'll be not saying we are at the end of the cycle, but I just don't want you guys to become too greedy. And yes, there is a high probability that we're maybe going to go to a new all-time high. But is it really worth the risk once again, guys? In my opinion, the risk is way too high right now on Vechain, because the chart is looking so unhealthy. It's not looking bullish. It's looking extremely bearish in my opinion. And of course, that is the momentum indicators, of course. Let me remove the MACD strategy. Give me a second here. Let me remove this one. Let's see. I mean, guys, I truly want to be very honest with you. And I know there are a lot of Vechain lovers. And I mean, I love Vechain as well because the fundamentals are very good. But I mean, the technicals are just letting me down right now, and the technicals is really saying to me, you want to be staying careful, you don't want to be becoming overexcited. So, I mean, also a downtrend on the MACD, on the daily candles is getting started. So, a downtrend is getting started. You're setting a lower high structure. Of course, you're setting a very significant lower low. You are going to have a bullish crossover right now on the daily MACD. That is definitely a very good thing, and that's also my reason still to say, yeah, I mean, reaching this price target is still in the books, but for how long are you going to stay there? So definitely, I mean, if you're in very good profits, you should definitely embrace your profits and maybe take some, because I don't think it's a bad decision to take some profits on Vechain if you're going to see this significant, this significant pump to the upside, especially if you're trading at all-time highs. So please don't be the one who is only too excited. But guys, look at this. We're probably going to create such a huge bearish divergence on the daily. This can be definitely pushing down the price here, and I mean, it will be ending in a bloodbath, in my opinion. So please don't be overexcited. So let me go real quickly in FX, guys. That's my quick opinion about Vechain. I mean, I'm currently not holding anything of it, because I just think otherwise I will be getting wrecked here. And of course, I always tell you guys, put your money where your mouth is. And of course, that's also what I say every single day here. I mean, I like Vechain, I like the project, but it's just currently letting me down here. It's currently not providing me the buying opportunity that I've been waiting for. So, what you can also see here on the price section of AVAX, and AVAX, of course, currently having a very exciting chart in my opinion. Of course, you are once again setting a higher high structure. First of all, you're setting a higher high structure, so that's of course very beautiful to see, and that's really identifying that you're on an uptrend. So, what you can currently see here, $42 US. Can we be closing above this daily resistance line? That would be, of course, very amazing for me, because, yes, guys, we've been forming a new resistance line here on FX, because we were, of course, continually setting a higher high structure, but right now reaching the target once again here. The likelihood of getting a correction is still in the books here, and of course, if we're going to get a correction, that will be pretty unfortunate, because that can be pushing down the price once again here. But definitely, if we can be closing above this level around the 39.9 cents here, this will be 39.9 cents, sorry, $39.9. This will be definitely very exciting, because yes, we are of course once again in a high structure. We are definitely looking very good, and in my opinion, we can be going even higher, because yes, guys, I do feel very excited about it. I mean, second of all, I mean, this is of course a bearish signal. We're currently seeing a lower high on the RSI getting created, higher high in the price chart. This is of course ending in a bearish divergence. Second of all, what you can currently see over here is the MACD, and the MACD is very is for me very hard to give my exact opinion about it, because yes, guys, we're setting a higher high on the buyers and also in a higher low on the sellers. So basically, there's a lot of volume increasing. We are seeing volatility either way, and for me, it's very hard to give you a clear direction on it. Maybe on the 4 hourly candle, I can give you a better direction because yeah, the daily candle is currently letting me down, but the 4 hourly is also looking to maybe have a reversal anytime soon here, in my opinion. So you can see, of course, it still has a bullish crossover. It still is going higher, but you can see the sellers are re-entering the market, and you want to be getting careful. So please don't get overexcited. And I mean, yeah, I mean, general guys, I do feel very excited because Bitcoin is, of course, probably going to move up higher. And if Bitcoin is going to move up higher, it will be dragging the altcoins with it. But I just see so much greed in the market, and once there's so much greed in the market, I just don't like to see it. I don't like to see greed in the market, because once there is greed in the market, probably a lot of people are getting wrecked. And like I told you before on the channel, guys, the last thing that I want to be doing here on the channel is getting wrecked altogether. So please don't be the one who's going to go to wreck city. And I mean, FX is not looking particularly unhealthy. Yeah, you are creating a bearish divergence, but I think we can be invalidating that one pretty easily. And of course, talking about Vechain, we are having a major bearish divergence, so that's of course very, very unfortunate. And that is the reason why I'm holding back for it right now. Take profit on FX right now. I mean, I don't necessarily. Would be not saying that necessarily. Really depends on where the daily candle will be closing. If we're going to create a wick and close below the 39.3 cents here, yeah, definitely you should be taking some profits, because the likelihood of getting correction and push lower is very high. But of course, it also depends on Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin just going to increase? I'd still expect, guys, I'm not saying that you want to go all out of altcoins. If Bitcoin is going to pump, I'd really anticipate that 90% of the altcoins will be exploding. And of course, there will be more gains on these positions. So yeah, definitely I do feel very excited by altcoins in general, but I just want to be picking the right altcoins. I don't want to be picking the wrong altcoins, because then I'm going to wreck city, and that's once again not the strategy that I want to be using. So guys, quickly, a thing that you want to be saying here. For all the people that are just tuned in the stream here, let me give you a quick shout out for the people that just followed me on Instagram. If you haven't already followed me on Instagram, make sure to do so right now, because guys, it will be just very amazing. Because yeah, we are of course giving you yeah, I mean, I am currently giving you my private life. If you want to be seeing what I'm currently doing in my private life, make sure to check it. And of course, I will be doing a post as well later today on my Instagram, so definitely make sure to keep your eyes out on it. And I'm currently pretty tired as well, so yeah, very exciting, very exciting. But definitely make sure to follow me here on Instagram at CryptoOverYT. It's definitely a very exciting page here. I mean, I'm trying to get more involved with you guys as well in terms of my personal life, so it would be amazing if you can smash up the follow button. Guys, can we be reaching the 4,000 followers anytime soon here? Will be amazing, of course. I mean, it's really try to build up my Instagram as well. So it will be amazing if you're going to give me a follow over there. But yeah, you can see, of course, for Apex, let's see how this will be ending. But guys, let me talk a little bit about the likelihood of the next request here. So let me know which coin I want to be. Let me know which coin I have to look at, guys. Right now in the chat, I see already a lot of BNB coming in. So in the meantime, let me know in the chat what I have to look at. Let me know in the chat what I have to look at. But in the meantime, I will be looking at BNB. But before that, I will be checking real quickly. The subscriber again, yes, guys, 440 already, guys. Let's go, let's go. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It would be amazing if you can do so right now. Let's see if we can be smashing it up to 40.5k in the stream here. In the meantime, I will be taking a quick sip of my water. Harmony 1, I see a donation from Harmony 1 coming in. Currently can't see the name. I can't see the name. So my friend, I'm sorry, I can't see your name. We'll be going into it in a second. XRP is pumping. I see XRP is trying to break. Guys, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me go. I will be going into Binance coin in a second. We'll be going to XRP right now, because yeah, I see so many people talking about XRP right now, guys. Yeah, XRP is absolutely blasting up here. XRP pumping again. Yeah, guys, indeed, XRP is indeed pumping. So, guys, we'll be going into BNB in a second. And, of course, I do truly like BNB, and I truly think there are good opportunities that we are currently having here. But let me talk a little bit about XRP, because, yes, guys, you seem to love XRP. You seem to really talk about it, and I don't know what's currently once again going on with my connection. I see the connection is getting very worse. Hopefully it's fixed. Let me fix it real quickly. Hopefully everything is still working. Oh, chips. This hopefully still working. Sorry, my internet cable was disconnected. So hopefully it's still doing good here. Doing a quick checkup over here. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, hopefully it's doing still good here. Sorry, I was doing a quick checkup. So people are saying XRP really wants to be breaking out here, and it looks like it really wants to. So of course we've been looking to this significant pattern, of course, on the daily candles. Let me also look at the lower time frame here. You can see maybe an descending broadening wedge getting created. We are once again running into resistance. So guys, please don't get overexcited. FOMO into anything here, because FOMO is the biggest mistake that you can currently do here. But yeah, if you just look at the daily candles, guys, it really will be important where we are going to close this daily candle. So guys, if we are going to close the daily candle, your guys are saying still working, so absolutely insane that everything is still working. It's good. Okay, nice, guys, absolutely insane. I mean, still some issues sometimes with the connection over here. I asked them an internet cable. I try to do every single thing here for you guys, of course, to always do these live stream, because I will be no matter what's stopping with the live stream. So what you can see with XRP compared to US dollar, seeing a breakout. It looks to be that we're currently having a breakout, of course, but still want to be waiting on the daily candle close. So if I go back to the 1 hour, guys, you can see we are having this downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, and we are currently trying to break above it. But let's see where we will be ending. Can we be closing the coming 35 minutes above this line? I will be bullish. Will we be closing the 1 hourly candle below this line candle? I will be bearish. So let's see how this will be ending, of course, for the price section of XRP. I in general feel very excited about it, but let's see how this will be how this will be ending, of course. I truly think it's very exciting. I truly think it's very exciting, and hopefully we can be seeing the breakout anytime soon here. And let's see, my second screen is almost the Doge fodder. Everyone's talking about Doge fodder. Of course, Elon Musk, the Doge fodder. Doge is going to 1 cent soon. I mean, 1 cent. Yeah, I mean, I don't think Dogecoin is going to 1 cent, but I also don't think it's going to $1. I just want to remain very calm with it, so please be careful. So let's see what we're going to do. So besides that, guys, let me see, because I was willing to discuss BNB. That's a very good one. Of course, also Harmony one still. I see your super chat over here. Let me see. I see your super chat over here. Right. I can't see your name, unfortunately. But let me first talk. BNB compared to Bitcoin, seeing a breakdown of the rising wedge here, of course, very bearish bias pattern. BNB compared to Bitcoin can be seeing a pretty significant correction of maybe 28% compared to Bitcoin. That can be very bloody for XRP, for the price section of BNB. Hopefully we can still see a move to the upside getting great, and we have not reached the price target yet here of the $710 guys. Let's see if we're going to reach it. I mean, it will be probably also the 700, what will be major psychological resistance. So let's see what it will be doing. And for the people that love diamond patterns, you can definitely see a diamond pattern right now unfolding on the 4 hour. Like I told you before, I'm not really a huge fan of it. I should really look at symmetrical triangles. I'm a huge fan of symmetrical triangles, guys. You already know it probably on the channel. So yeah, what you can currently see as well here on the BNB compared to US dollar chart is that we are creating a continuation pattern of a symmetrical triangle. Of course, it's very exciting to see here, because yes, guys, there's a continuation pattern, because we were creating a move to the upside, formed consolidation, and right now this breakout target can be pushing us up towards new all-time highs for the price section of BNB. Of course, this can be pushing us up towards exactly the $710. And oh, guys, what a coincidence. Let's see what we're going to do. Definitely think Binance coin can be going towards this level, because yes, also if you zoom out from the previous pattern, of course this one was trading on the daily candle. So yeah, we also don't expect it's going to reach the target in yeah, just a matter of a few days here. I truly anticipate it will be probably yeah, take some time here, and especially this symmetrical triangle right now unfolding on the 4 hourly candle, what is about to break out, guys. We're going to see a direction getting chosen anytime soon here for BNB. We're going to see a move to the upside or to the downside getting created. Of course, like I told you before, I will be only longing the market. So yeah, if you're looking for a long trade, yeah, you can be longing BNB as well. Yeah, but in general, let's see how this will be ending. In general, I feel very excited about it, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do. Hopefully, we're going to see some more moves to the upside getting created, and in general, I just feel very excited about it for BNB. So let me go into Harmony one real quickly, because that was also a super chat donation, and let me also quickly look, guys, how long are we live currently? Oh, guys, you are all smashing it up. We're already 45 minutes live here. Absolutely insane here. Guys, let's see what we're going to do. Maybe I have to take another coffee here, because I'm already losing energy, because today was a very long day. Also did not have had a long sleep. I exactly slept for 4 hours, guys. It's absolutely so short. But that's the reason why I'm also feeling a little bit lower right now. And but what are we currently seeing with Harmony one? I mean, we've been looking at this gigantic yeah, daily candles and the daily symmetrical triangle currently unfolding for the price section of Harmony one. And what you can see with Harmony one is, of course, that we are currently trading on the 13.7 cents here. And of course, the 13.7 cents is exactly also the resistance that we are trading on, because yes, guys, whoops, exactly, sorry, yes, guys, the previous support is right now resistance, of course, as you can see here. Gray box in general, providing a lot of support and resistance. Once trading below it is providing resistance. Once trading above it, it is providing support. And right now you're trading against it, and it's of course giving you major resistance. So of course right now we are also heading towards the downward sloping resistance line. And of course, This one, sorry for all the weird sound effects. I don't know if you guys hear it as well, but what you can see as well here. And this one is, of course, definitely only valid on the daily candles, like I told you already before. But what you can see as well here for Harmony 1 downward sloping persist line, this one will be getting reached once again anytime soon here once again. And of course, if we're going to reach this price target, we will be seeing, if we're going to reach the resistance, I definitely think we're going to get a rejection. But for me, to flip bullish about Harmony 1, I definitely want to be seeing also another touch point on the lower side, because that will be only giving us more significant of the breakout target, and of course also more significant of the current symmetrical triangle. Because yes, guys, this is not the most beautiful symmetrical triangle that I'm currently looking at, and I definitely want to be seeing one with more touch points on either side here, and hopefully we can be seeing one anytime soon here. So hopefully we will be having one. Hopefully we can still see a move to the downside getting great, maybe towards the 11.1 cent here for you. And if we're going to see that, I definitely think we can be going, going way higher. And of course, right now we're heading higher once again, but we were walking into resistance, so please don't get overexcited. Harmony 1, just like we're currently seeing with Vechain as well. Harmony 1 had an insane parabolic run up right now, consolidating, and I just don't think that we're going to see a new altcoin getting created anytime soon here. So please don't get overexcited and just be careful. So Veristis is donating to the channel. You're saying Ethereum Classic review will it be more bullish? So guys, I mean, right away we'll be saying to you. If you're buying over here, you're stupid. I'm sorry that I'm saying this. If you're buying at these levels, you're I don't know where your mind is. And don't want to be calling you stupid, because I love you guys. But it's just not smart to buy at these levels. And in my opinion, you should really avoid buying it over here. And of course, maybe people are saying, but we're forming a continuation pattern, or maybe people are saying we are forming a symmetrical triangle here on the top side, or maybe people are saying we were forming a bull flag and we already seen the breakout. Guys, please be careful and please think twice here, because if you're buying into this coin right now, you're first of all buying into extremely overextended RSI on the 91 here. So if you're buying over here into this coin, you're going to buy into extremely overextended territory. And besides that, if you're going to buy into it right now, you're buying into the top of a parabolic run-up, because guys, the first signs of this parabolic run-up ending is already here. You can see a big wave getting created on the top side, usually a blow off top, how you call that. And of course, this can be definitely pushing down the price even more. And I just don't think it's very good for the price for Ethereum Classic currently, because yeah, if we're going to see this big top and this big wick on the tops getting created, we can definitely see a push to the downside getting created as well here. And of course, if we're going to see this big push to the downside getting created, this will be very bearish for Ethereum Classic. And of course, if Ethereum Classic is going to correct even further, I mean, it will be horrible for the people that are currently buying into it. But I mean, just look at the previous bull market. Unfortunately, I don't have the information on this chart, if I said correctly. No, I don't have it. So I mean, guys, you can get wrecked here, because I mean, a correction of maybe 73% is definitely not out of the books. And I mean, don't buy into parabolic runners, because guys, you want to be identifying market structure, and if you're buying into it, it's purely out of emotions, because probably you are just waking up, and you're going to CMC, and you see over here, oh, this coin is been performing 290% the past 7 days here. And once a coin is so significantly pumping, guys, once a coin is pumping with so much percent, 280% in the last 7 days here, you want to be getting careful. Because you are buying into extremely overextended territorium. And that is, of course, not a strategy that I am currently utilizing. So please, guys, make sure to be careful with your buys, and make sure to don't buy with your emotions, because yes, like I told you before, people that are currently buying into it are exactly buying with their emotions. And of course, that's not a strategy that I should be using. And if you're also identifying the market structure, you can see a parabolic run up getting created. And right now we are at the top side. The first signs of reversals are already here, because we're seeing a big we're getting created on the top side. Besides that, guys, if you look to the 4 hourly and you just remove all the drawings, guys, you can see parabolic run up getting formed here. Consolidation at the top of the run up. What is going to happen? Just like I told you before, we're going to see a correction. And why is that? Because the RSI is cooling off here, the buyers are cooling off here, as sellers are entering the market. We don't have the strength to push higher. Already created a big wick on the top side, so please be careful. And I definitely anticipate, yeah, there's a possibility that we're going to go a little bit higher, because there's still people buying into it, but you have to know the big players are going to sell it, and maybe they already sold over here, and we're definitely going to see a correction. So in my opinion, want to be very careful, and in my opinion you want to be staying away from it, especially right now. And I mean, in the previous cycle there were some big whales that was playing with Ethereum Classic as well here, and currently I don't know exactly, I will be not saying anything because I don't know it yet here, but I mean the likelihood that some whales are trying to play with you once again and trying to steal your money is very high. So please guys, don't be the one that is currently buying into this coin, and don't be the one who's currently buying into Ethereum Classic. I just don't think it's good to buy into such a high stage of this run up, and I've been already saying this from $100, $90, and maybe you're saying, oh, I could have made way more gains if I didn't listen. But I mean, be careful, because probably if you're bought over here, you're going to hold it all the way to the negative. I mean, you can be making 100x, but if you're not going to take profits, you're still going to make a loss here probably with a lot of these coins. But guys, currently Bitcoin is once again moving up here. Will we be seeing a breakout this weekend? Yes, definitely we will. And guys, I can promise you already one thing. Once we are seeing a breakout, we will be, of course, going live no matter what time. No matter what time. Of course, if I'm awake. Of course, there are only 8 hours a day that I'm not awake. But once I'm awake and seeing a breakout, we'll be going right away live with you guys. So, of course, you can be anticipating insane breakout trades. So probably maybe we're going to take a trade altogether. I mean, I really want to be doing a trade altogether once again here, because guys, this will be one of my biggest trade opportunities that I'm currently looking at. Of course, I took perfect profits on my previous swing trade, and of course right now looking still to accumulate a new swing trade position. Have not really looked at I mean, I want to be accumulating already at the support line over here, but unfortunately did not get the entry yet here. So I mean, I should be still waiting. If we're going to see a breakout to the upside, I will be looking to buy it. If we're going to see a move to the downside getting great, I will be also looking to buy it as well. But guys, definitely want to be buying on the previous retest. So guys, if you want to be joining me, by the way guys, if you want me, let me know in the chat. Do you want to be taking this trade all together, and do you want me to open this trade live in the stream? Then I will be doing it, of course. Then I will be trying to go live on seeing a breakout. So it looks to be that we're right now seeing the insane fall through getting created right now. So let's see how this will be ending in the coming hours, coming days. Hopefully we can be seeing it. I do feel very excited about it, and yeah, let's see how this will be ending, of course. So hopefully we can be seeing this move to the upside getting created in the coming 3 hours or 24 minutes, because yes guys, I truly hope that we're already going to break out today. So yeah, let's see where it will be ending, but in general I feel very excited about it, and hopefully we can be moving up higher anytime soon here. But in general guys, like I told you before, I will be just looking for higher prices for Bitcoin. I'm not necessarily bearish, but yeah, I do expect that we can be seeing maybe a move down here. Maybe we can be moving even further towards the apex before seeing a breakout. But yeah, guys, like I told you before, we tend to break out before the apex. And right now it's still Friday, so I mean, I do get it if we're going to pump already on the Friday. But the weekend is definitely going to be one of the most exciting weekends, yeah, since a few days here. I think this weekend, guys, it's definitely a weekend to watch here, and in my opinion, if you're going to miss out this weekend, you're definitely going to miss out very exciting things here in the Bitcoin chart. So guys, if you haven't already, and people are saying yes in the chat here, guys, then we will be definitely taking this trade together. If you want to be already signing up here, you can be using the Femex or Bybit link in the description. You're currently getting a $1,080 bonus if you're signing up with Bybit, and also it's $680 bonus if you're signing up with Femex. And definitely, if you can already set up your account, you will be very excited. That will be very exciting, because guys, yes, tomorrow we have to be anticipating very quickly, and probably I will be giving you percentages of the account that I will be using with the trade, because I will be probably also trying to build up this swing trade position. So I will be adding more once falling, because this is of course a strategy that I've been utilizing a lot, and yeah, it's been working very well for me, and of course it's been very profitable. So Dean Harvey's asked me, what are your chances of Bitcoin going up or down from the triangle? I mean, first of all, it's a continuation pattern, and I mean, we have seen a move to the downside getting created, and I do definitely think that we can be seeing rather move to the upside than to the downside. And the reason why I'm saying is, Dean Harvey, is first of all, I'm identifying the trend from where we were currently trading on. So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. So yeah, definitely what you can currently see, we're in a clear uptrend here, and because we're in a clear uptrend, I truly anticipate that Bitcoin is probably going to move. Yeah, it's more likely, let's say it's a 70% chance that Bitcoin is going to break to the upside, and a 30% chance that Bitcoin is going to break to the downside. So of course, there's always a chance that Bitcoin is going to break down. Never anticipate only one scenario, guys. That's the most important thing that I've learned from my journey. And guys, you know it, I'm only 20 years old, and of course, I'm already pretty long in the space here, and I've been doing this every single day here, and of course right now, I mean, also doing these daily streams here with you guys for the past 3 months here, and of course it's been very helpful for you guys, and of course I truly love it, because you guys are so supportive as well in the chat here, and you guys are always smashing up the subscriber button, because yes guys, we're absolutely crushing it, already 460 subscribers. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Get the subscription, make it white, if I say it correctly. It's before it's red, and right now if you're sub to the channel, it will become white. Let me know in the chat. I don't know exactly. So guys, if you haven't already, smashed up the like button. It would be of course very amazing if you can do so, because yeah, I mean, you guys are so supportive. Currently having 454 likes, guys. Another 46 likes. Another 46 likes, guys. And then we are having the 500 likes. It will be amazing if we can reach it. Let's see if we can be reaching it. I think we can. So, let me see. Bitcoin shot up 1K in the last 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin can do anything. I mean, remember, I mean, guys, we're sitting at insane levels, because if we were shooting up 1K just exactly 4 months ago, that would have been a 10% move. But right now, if you look to Bitcoin, if we shoot up 1K, it is exactly a 1.8% move. So guys, absolutely things changed in Bitcoin. We are becoming a more mature market, and that's of course a thing that we're currently seeing. So guys, it's absolutely insane how fast Bitcoin is pumping. I'm very excited, of course. I mean, it's definitely looking very good. Bitcoin's shooting up to the moon here right now, so it looks to be that a lot of people are getting very excited about Bitcoin. So, of course, once people are getting excited about Bitcoin, I truly love it. And I mean, yesterday, look at the volatility as well here. Bitcoin moving up very significantly after the scene correction, but right now seeing some big plays coming into the market. And guys, like I told you before, I was talking about that I see so many people talking about Bitcoin Cash, but guys, I don't really like Bitcoin Cash, to be very honest. I think just like Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash pumping, I don't think the market is so mature. I was just saying the market was mature, but if you see Ethereum Classic and Bitcoin Cash pumping, I don't exactly know it. But Bitcoin, of course, guys, we are still exactly 20 more minutes away before closing the 1 hourly candle, but this is definitely a very good candle in my opinion. Yeah, past 5 minutes are very exciting. Past 5 minutes, we just, yeah, past 10 minutes, past 15 minutes, I mean, we've been pumping so significantly, and I mean, it's definitely very exciting to see Bitcoin becoming so good there. And like I told you before, there's so many institutional interests. Do you want to be on the side of the institutions? Yes, definitely. And if you haven't already exposed, if you are not exposed to crypto, if you're watching this video and this is your first ever video that you're watching of crypto, let me know in the chat, by the way. I mean, this is definitely providing you insane opportunities. Definitely, if you're not exposed yet here, you want to be going into it right now here. So, guys, also if you look to the golden pocket entry of Bitcoin, you can see here major support was getting traded around the 56.6K. Also, once you're trading below it, you're getting rejected. But right now, this 4 hourly candle is, of course, trading above this level. And if you're trading above this level, you can be seeing probably a move to the upside getting created. So, guys, also, we are seeing a pattern getting involved here. Because, yeah, you can also see there's also an upper sloping support line getting formed here, down sloping resist line. So, maybe... guys, so maybe also on the 4 hourly candles, because yes, this other pattern that we were looking at, the bigger symmetrical triangle, what I can possibly say can be pushing Bitcoin towards the 72K here, is on the daily candles. But we are also seeing one on the 4 hourly candles. We're currently seeing also a downward sloping resistance line getting formed here, upward sloping support line getting formed here, and that's also ending. This one can be also ending in a breakout target either direction. Of course, I do once again anticipate to the upside, because yeah, we are currently in an uptrend. We are setting higher lows. And that is right away my reason why I do think the move to the upside is more likely to play out here. And people are also saying, won't you be looking at in W structure? I mean, yeah, there's also maybe a W structure unfolding currently for Bitcoin. So, I mean, I truly think that is, of course, a thing that you can be looking at. But is it the best strategy? Is it the best way to approach a chart? I don't think so, because the W structure, I mean, the neckline is not very beautiful in my opinion, and you want to be seeing a beautiful neckline in my opinion. So let's see how this will be ending, of course. Yeah, truly think it's very important. I'm not saying it's not important, but yes, let's see once we're going to break it, because yes, this level will be very important in my opinion. Because if we can't close it, yeah, we will be definitely finding some resistance on it. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing. Maybe we will be approaching this W like this. So if we're going to approach it like a W structure, guys, we can be looking for potential price target sitting around 63K here. But definitely, guys, I think we are going to see a move to the upside getting created anytime soon here. Rover, do you still expect a small cap alt season? And I see, good question, Wilke. So, Rover, do you still expect a small cap alt season? So, I mean, guys, I've been talking a lot about YLD, of course. I mean, first of all, look at the market capitalization. 70 million, sorry. Yes. Yes. And guys, like I told you before, of course, there has been some struggles with the cycle, how it usually works, because Bitcoin was once again freaking out. You guys all know it. We were very ambitious, but Bitcoin freaked out once again. But like I told you before, guys, how it always works here is let's say Bitcoin is pumping, shifting to the bigger altcoins, bigger cap altcoins. After that, the gains from the bigger cap altcoins shifting to the lower cap altcoins. And that is exactly how it works, and exactly what we are currently seeing. I definitely think there will be some money flowing towards the smaller cap altcoins, and definitely, I mean, I'm not just talking before because I'm not talking about nothing about YLD. I think it's just truly a very good project. So yeah, I still think this one has also very good potential, and especially projects like ULab, like Voyager, BNB as well. I think if BNB is pumping, you see some other altcoins as well pumping. So I definitely think that BNB has to be seeing some more volatility, because I think BNB is also BNB Crypto.com as well. They're all also have yield farming, etc. from it. So yeah, I definitely think it's very exciting. And yield app, it's definitely one that you want to be looking at. And I mean, I bought into it because of the fundamentals and because I believe in the future project of it. And of course, if I believe in the fundamentals, it can be definitely also showing its potential in the price chart as well. So just like I was seeing with other coins like Crypto.com, etc. And I think it has way more potential. And yeah, I still think there will be, to answer your question very quickly, yes, there will be still a minor, let's say the small cap altcoins explosions will be still here, because guys, that will be in the end of the greedy phase. The end of the greedy phase, these smaller cap altcoins will be absolutely exploding. So please, I think, I'm not saying that you want to really get exposed to a lot of them, because I do think, yeah, you can be also getting wrecked, because yeah, the market capitalization is maybe low, but the potential risk is also yeah, very big, but also the potential reward is very big. So please be careful. High risk, high reward. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing. Of course, really depends on what your strategy is and what you're trying to achieve here in the cryptocurrency space. I mean, in the previous cycle, I was really doing the strategy of high risk, high reward. And right now I've been building up in the bear market, of course, more a strategy of low risk, high reward. And that's more my strategy. Low risk, high reward. And maybe you're wondering, but why don't you just tell us what your low risk, high reward is? And that's of course just Bitcoin, because guys, just look at the performance of Bitcoin year to date. Always zoom out. I mean, 3 months ago, we were trading on a 36k Bitcoin, 38k Bitcoin, currently trading on 58k Bitcoin. Guys, is it bad? No, they are insane returns, but it is safe. But people are getting greedy because they're seeing other coins or stocks pumping even harder. But my strategy is not to become greedy. And if you look to a year ago, we're doing a 5.7x. Is that a high risk? Is Bitcoin high risk? No. Is Bitcoin high reward? Yes. People are saying that 6x is not high reward. It is. But of course, it depends on what your own strategy is. Of course, extreme high reward, you can be also going for it. And of course, that I'm trying currently with YLD as well. So yeah, people are saying Bitcoin pump in the chat here. But yeah, the major move up is already done here, in my opinion. Let's see how this will be going. Of course, definitely want to be seeing a breakthrough of the 58.1k here. It will be very exciting if we can be seeing this breakthrough, of course, guys. Guys, let's see if we can also see the breakthrough to 40.5k. That would be an even cooler breakthrough. Okay, of course. So G Handle donating to the channel. You're saying, can you check Feta? So guys, let me check Feta. Here. Currently having 1,016 watchers, guys. You are all insane. Also currently having, we are currently having 508 likes. Guys, you are always absolutely insane. Toy Wolf, what's up, Rover? Look at this recovery. I mean, yeah, it's absolutely cool. The Toy Wolf is also tuning into the stream. So, Crypto, do you still believe in Best Coin? Yeah, definitely. Very exciting coin. Definitely very exciting coin. I don't make these videos for no reason. Definitely very cool. Let me see. What was the question from? I forgot. Oh, sorry. It was over here. G Handle, of course. G Handle was saying, can you check Feta? Of course. Let's go into Feta here for G Handle. True legend on the channel. He's always here. I mean, big shout out to you, G Handle. Big supporter of the channel as well. So let me see at this coin. I mean, Feta has been performing very skeptical. It's very hard to give my opinion about it because I don't think the chart development is that beautiful in my opinion, and I should be more bearish than bullish on it right now. And the reason why I'm saying it is because we're definitely in a very bearish structure. We are sending the buyers and sellers momentum is definitely to the downside. The momentum is shifting to the downside, where you are still setting a higher high over here, and that resulted in the bearish divergence, and the bearish divergence was pushing the price so quickly to the downside. And that is exactly what Vechain is going to do as well. So I already told you guys, for the people that's still wondering about Vechain, that is exactly what we're going to do. And I see also that Crypto Centauri is tuning into the stream here. And Crypto Centauri, it's amazing that you are here over here. Big shout out to Crypto Centauri. If you don't know it, make sure to follow him. I'm going to he's also coming to Dubai, guys. He's absolutely a cool guy here. You will be probably also seeing him on my Instagram, maybe. We don't know yet. Of course, have to talk with Moody about it. But Moody, of course, big shout out to you, man. Guys. And if you haven't already followed me, make sure to follow me right now, guys. We are only 26 followers away. Yeah, up to 3.7k followers and on Instagram. And guys, you have to know, on the Discord server, we are currently doing a 2 ledger and a 2 month giveaway here. I am reading every single thing, and I see that someone even wrote a song about me. And I mean, yeah, you're a true legend, and you're probably, I mean, I will be not spoiling anything yet here, but you will be probably be a very big winner as well. So I mean, very exciting, guys, what you are currently doing here all for me. And guys, if we can be right now smashing up, if we are going to smash it up to 4,000 followers, maybe we're going to do an extra giveaway here. So guys, make sure to follow me over here. And of course, you're missing insane content, because look at this. I mean, I just feel very excited about it to share it with you guys, and of course I'm very thankful. And of course, I mean, look at the possibilities what crypto can give you. I definitely think, of course, I definitely will be always saying it's good to invest your money, but sometimes you also have to take some profits and enjoy life a little bit, right? So of course, always have invested, trying to always invest more and more and more, and of course accumulating more and more and more. And in the end of the day, guys, I just can't wait to see where we will be standing here in, let's say, 10 years or so. Let's see where Bitcoin will be standing, guys. Of course, where will be the channel and where will you guys will be standing. Think about it, and of course, don't think small, think big here, be ambitious, think about the possibilities about crypto, think about what it can be doing. And of course, if you're only thinking about it, you maybe want to be realizing it as well here. Just read. I mean, reading is all the thing. You want to be having a good mindset is the key to success. And besides that, guys, for the people that are still wondering, I mean, I get a lot of requests on my Instagram because I see a lot of DMs, and currently, guys, I see a lot of new people send me a DM. Usually I react to them, but I have not got the time yet here. It's been a very busy day here and a busy few days here, and the coming 2 or 3 days, I am pretty free here. I don't have a lot of things to do here, so probably will be streaming a lot of hours. And besides that, we'll be also being very active on you guys to respond to you guys. But guys, you have also over here my favorite crypto books, and I mean, I put a link to Amazon on them because I all bought them on Amazon, and of course Amazon has worldwide shipping, so it's very nice to right away give your answer. So for people that are right away going to ask me once again, or ask me on Instagram, what are your good books what are your books that you advise? I mean, these are of course charting books, but you also want to be reading mental books. Maybe I'm going to add some more mental books on it as well, because the mental state is very important as well, to think how you want to be thinking, etc. So yeah, you can be checking out the books over here in the description as well. And of course, guys, if you also want to be signing up with the referral list subscription, would be amazing, of course, if you want to be supporting the channel. But yeah, that's in general in the bigger lines here, what it is currently doing. But definitely mental state is very important for if you're in crypto, in my opinion, because guys, what I just currently learn a lot. I mean, I've been learning a lot about emotions, how to control your emotions, because I'm breathing a lot recently, and emotion control is just very important. Of course, these are not psychological books, but I think I should also really recommend some psychological. Sorry, I should also really recommend some yeah, I'm sorry, I can't speak. I mean, I'm you know, I only slept for 3 hours. I just can't talk right now, but I should really recommend some as well. Maybe we'll be putting one in the description as well. But guys, sometimes I just can't speak. I mean, my eyes are almost closing because I'm so tired. So let's see, rover to the moon, definitely. Dollar index is dropping. So Calvin Klein is becoming a member of the channel here. Calvin Klein, absolutely amazing with your American flag here. I love America as well, my friend. Yeah, but welcome to the channel here. I see also Jersey asking, can you check Phantom here? And guys, let me also go into the dollar index in a second here. Sorry for me. I see also Marnix here in the chat. Marnix is saying smash up the like button. Make sure to do that. It will be amazing, of course. Eat an apple when your emotions take over. So also Calvin Klein is becoming SDR supporter. You're amazing, bro. You're amazing. So let me also go into Ventum, but Calvin Klein, very amazing. But guys, for the people that are wondering, still wondering, where are your apples, Rover? Where are your apples? I am always eating them. And of course, it's very nice. For my hotel that I'm currently in here, they're giving me every single day new apples. And of course, I just came home and right away got a new apple. So yeah, of course, once the stream is done, I will be taking a quick bite of my apple, because yes, guys, apples are the best, for people that don't know it yet. So let me go into Phantom here. And of course, Calvin, if you have some questions for me as well, make sure to drop them in the comments. We'll be trying to pick it out. Of course, it's very hard to do so for me, but definitely will be trying to do my best here. So let me go into Phantom, because yes, guys, Phantom has also been an asset that I've been talking a lot about on the channel. USA gang. Yeah, let me know who's from the USA. I mean, I truly like the USA. Probably going to visit it as well in September for maybe a longer period because a friend of mine lives there and I can join him on his place. So that's, of course, very amazing. So, guys, what we can currently see for Phantom is very exciting because I think we are seeing very beautiful consolidation to the upside, and, of course, a symmetrical triangle consolidation. Because, guys, yes, also for Phantom, it is looking very healthy because, yeah, you can see downward sloping resistance line getting formed currently. Of course, the top side of the resistance also beautiful getting played out here, daily resistance. Besides that, yeah, this is an upward sloping support line that we are currently forming. Downward sloping resistance line on the top side that we are also currently forming. And, of course, this will be probably ending in a very good, sorry. Thank you. No problem, Calvin Kind. Absolutely amazing that you're joining the team here. So, guys, with Phantom, we are currently trading. We're currently creating a symmetrical triangle. And of course, this symmetrical triangle can be seeing insane, follow through anytime soon here. And this follow through, your eyes need sleep. Yeah, guys, I mean, fine, you're saying it already. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but yeah, I'm so tired. You can't believe it. The day before I slept 6 hours, and last night I slept for less than 4 hours. So, yeah, it's not a lot. So I'm very tired. So let's see how this will be ending, of course. But Phantom, of course, symmetrical triangle currently getting formed here. Top side is providing resistance, lower side providing support, and we're probably going to see a very exciting breakout anytime soon here, and hopefully we can be getting one because, yes, guys, I truly think we can be seeing a breakout to the upside, and I do anticipate still a breakout to the upside for the price action of Phantom, but the question is when we are going to see the breakout. So let's see what it will be doing here. I definitely feel very excited about it, so hopefully we can be seeing a breakout anytime soon here. Of course, this can be pushing up the price pretty significantly once again here. This can be maybe seeing the price pushing up towards the $1.01 here. Hopefully we will be seeing it anytime soon here. But yeah, in general, I feel very excited about the coin here. I like the partnerships that they're currently having. Of course, Pierre Gasly, F1 driver, they're working together with him, and that's also, I'm a huge F1 fan, and that is, of course, also, yeah, really getting me attracted to Phantom. So am I the only one? I don't think so. So yeah, Phantom, very exciting. And I definitely think that there's way more potential here in the coming days, coming hours. So let's see what it will be doing here. Of course, this 4-hourly consolidation is beautiful to see, in my opinion. And of course, this can be definitely pushing the price higher towards $1. And of course, also psychological level of resistance. So I just can't wait to see what we're going to do. So let me see. I would get tired if I talk this fast, bro. I mean, bro. I just can't talk slow. Because there's so many things that I still want to be discussing here. So, not good. I mean, no, it's indeed not good. Why can't you sleep? I mean, it was very busy because I had all kinds of appointments, also late night and early on, and I had to still finish some things up because, guys, there are coming some big things also. But once again, I just can't say anything. I just can't say it yet here because otherwise I will be spoiling it, and of course that's not a good thing here to do. It's not allowed as well. So let's see what it's going to do. So yeah, I mean, he's been driving a Lamborghini, so he is very excited. I mean, guys, it's absolutely a dream for me as well, coming through for the people that are still wondering, and for the people that are following me on Instagram and you have the question about it, make sure to send me a DM. Maybe I have not reacted right now, but I will be definitely doing it later on. Big shout out for all the people that just followed me over here. I mean, let me see. Let me load it up here. I mean, Mickey, thank you for your follow over here. One Bitcoin, one best life, of course. Definitely. I will be also doing a post later on today, so definitely make sure to check it out over there. It will be amazing if we're going to do it. It wasn't Dean. It wasn't Dean. It was sorry. It was his appointments. No, it was not my appointments that was getting me so excited. It was also the Lamborghini what was getting me very exciting, guys. Both of them. Where is Lambo? It is downstairs, bro. It's downstairs. But I will be not making stories about it every single day. And guys, soon there will be even a cooler thing coming here, but it will be not spoiling it. I'm saying something about a Ferrari. I mean, of course, it's one of my favorite cars, and of course, I'm getting some. I'm knowing some new people as well here in Dubai, and of course, it will be very exciting days, guys. Very exciting days ahead, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do. Hopefully, we can be seeing some. Yeah, insane, of course, insane things altogether. But guys, unfortunately, this stream is once again, for me, very hard to do because I'm very tired. And I see that we're currently 1 hour and 20 minutes live here. But currently, guys, I will be wrapping up the stream. And the reason why here is because I'm extremely tired. And I will be loading up myself. And I say this every single day, but right now I promise it. But I will be loading up myself because I still have to do something. And you can already expect from me another video tonight. Tonight I will be uploading another video, and once I'm saying tonight, it will be approximately maybe in 5 hours or so. So I will be working on another video, but in the meantime, I will be taking a quick sleep here of, let's say, 2 hours, a quick power nap, because then I load it up once again here, and of course after that I can be working very hard once again for you guys. So guys, please give me the time. I'm very tired. I've not been sleeping a lot here recently, so I need to reevaluate myself, and of course get everything back together. And guys, like I told you before, once seeing a breakout for Bitcoin, I will be definitely right away going to stream here, because yeah, I want to be taking a trade with you guys. Of course, we'll be probably taking the Femex, so you can be already signing up with the referral links in the description, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry that I'm so tired right now, but guys, I'm also just a human. Sometimes these things happen, and of course I truly thank you guys that you are, of course, once again watching to the amazing stream here. People are saying Bitcoin pumping again. Yeah, Bitcoin is moving up, and guys, I will be not wrapping up the stream right now, because I really want to be seeing where Bitcoin is going to close this 1 hourly candle. If we're going to close the 1 hourly candle, will be not very important. I mean, yeah, it will be pretty important, because the 1 hourly candle also did not broke above it yet here, so you can be also looking at it on the 1 hourly candle. So I will be watching it for a few minutes here, because in exactly 30 seconds we're going to close this 1 hourly candle, guys. So that's of course very exciting to see here. Thanks, Rover. Smash up the likes. I mean, guys, thank you for watching once again here. But yeah, Bitcoin, of course, in the meantime, still pumping. Make sure to keep your eyes set on Bitcoin. Make sure to keep your eyes set on Bitcoin. And of course, guys, if you are willing to learn something as well here, make sure to set up a TradingView account and maybe approach the chart also yourself, because then we are learning all together. And in the end of the day, guys, I am trying to learn your things here. And guys, I mean, yeah, you can be a fisher and give people you can give people fish, but you can also learn them how to fish, so that people can get some fish for themselves, right? So that's of course a very famous saying, but I mean, it is definitely very exciting. So that's the reason why I'm saying you can be maybe also setting up TradingView, maybe looking at the chart as well here, because yeah, we are currently seeing this insane downward sloping resistance line getting formed, upper sloping support line getting formed. So you should definitely be looking at this current scenario. And Bitcoin has been moving up pretty significantly, but unfortunately, guys, we have not closed the day 1 hourly candle right now above it. So what you should be doing right now is waiting. You should be waiting a little bit here, because you should be waiting for the next 1 hourly candle close. Of course, we haven't closed the 1 hourly candle above it once again. So let's see how this will be going. Hopefully we can be still seeing a breakout on the 1 hourly candles as well here. Do feel very excited about it, and I just can't wait to see what we're going to do. And hopefully we can be gaining all together. And guys, like I told you before, if I see the 4 hourly candles, because for me it will be very important to see a 4 hourly candle close above it. If we're going to see a 4 hourly candle close above it, and if we're going to have a retest, I will be notifying you probably on Twitter, on Discord, every single where that I'm opening my trade, because I will be of course trying to open the trade altogether, guys. Because I mean, there is a major opportunity, and of course I will be having a strategy to add more ones going lower, and definitely very exciting. So make sure to keep your eyes out on the Twitter page, on the Instagram page, on the Discord page as well here. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I can check you guys back tomorrow once again in a new stream. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you're going to have an amazing day. But sorry, but I have to head out right now. So thank you so much for watching, and peace out.